Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to block bad comments on your YouTube videos or just hide the comment in general. So all you have to do is head over to your YouTube Studio application and just sign into your YouTube account that you want to do some work on. Once you're on the application, you just want to click on the top left 3 dots, and then you just want to go over to comments, and it's going to basically show you here all your comments. You could also just click on most recent here, or you can click on publish, and then you can look for likely spam or anything like that if you want to change it up to make it easier for you to find ones that you're looking for. If not, you just want to scroll down and find one that you're interested in deleting. So let's click on this one right here for an example, and you just want to click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the comment, bottom right. And then it will give you 3 options here. You can either remove the comment, report the comment as spam, so it will remove it and it will report that account for spam, or you can just hide the user from your channel entirely. So if you're just looking to remove the comment or report for spam, this is exactly how you do it on your YouTube channel. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.